I'm Rebecca Meek. I'm a women's health nurse practitioner at OnePeak Medical. I graduated with my bachelor's degree in nursing in 2003 from Oregon Health and Science University. And then I decided to go back to school and get my midwifery degree from Frontier Nursing University in 2013. And then in 2018, I went back and got my post-grad certificate in women's health nurse practitioner. I've been in nursing for a little over 17 years. I worked as a pediatric, labor and delivery, and ER nurse. When I went back and did my midwifery degree, I opened my own birth center and did that for about 4 years. And then I decided I needed to move on and have a tribe. So I got my women's health nurse practitioner degree, and I've been working with OnePeak ever since. So I've been practicing functional medicine probably from the day I started nursing, because I always believed that there was a reason why patients had dysfunction in their bodies. So I always wanted to know what was the vitamin that helped with that, or what was the dysfunction in their lifestyle that helped with that. And so I did education really early on, and that's been a huge passion of mine, is to teach patients about their bodies and how they can prevent disease and reverse disease with just maintaining their health through lifestyle medicine. I chose OnePeak because it gave me a platform to work with a lot of other providers that provide the same type of functional medicine. And I feel like we can do some really personalized medicine. So if you're looking for a personal experience, please come see me at OnePeak Medical.